Good evening, everyone, and welcome to your Indiana 9 weather forecast. I'm meteorologist Susie Martin. Most of the day today was sunny, but by the afternoon, clouds started rolling into the region, and we're forecasting partly cloudy skies as we head into tonight. Now, a big question is, when is our next shot of rain? And it looks like the answer is not until the end of the week. We'll be keeping the forecast rain-free through the start of the weekend. Temperatures have been incredibly warm. Those highs have been between 10 and 15 degrees above the average, and today was no exception. Today's high was sitting at 86 degrees with our average high temperature in the mid-70s. Now, as far as our radar is concerned, needless to say, it was a very quiet day here, so not much going on here locally, but just off to the west of us, you can see a line of thunderstorms that has developed just ahead of a cold front that is approaching us from the west. Now, we already started to see the effects of this system as we dealt with the increase in cloud cover this afternoon and this evening. So partly cloudy skies again in store for us today as these thicker clouds start making their way into southern Indiana. Now, we've been incredibly dry for the past couple of days, and this is going to be the dominant feature as we head into the rest of the week. This area of high pressure that has anchored itself across the mid-Atlantic region is very stubborn, and it will result in very dry weather conditions. Not only that, but the circulation of the air clockwise will be bringing in south winds into our region, and this is going to be pulling in warmer air from the south. And in fact, those south winds will still be present tomorrow, but with that front moving into the region, it's going to be a little bit windier, with winds possibly gusting up to between 15 and 20 miles per hour, but again, still coming from the south, so it's going to be another warm day. Now, this cold front is going to start approaching us, but by the time it hits Indiana, it's going to be colliding with that drier air, that bubble of high pressure, if you will, acting very much like a shield. It's just going to be dissipating as we head into the next couple of hours here. You can see this on our TrueView weather forecast model. You see this front will be dumping a lot of rain for Illinois, but as it enters Indiana, completely dissipates as it meets with that dry air. Not much in the way of moisture for the system to work with, so we're not going to be expecting rain with it, just an increase in cloud cover. And unfortunately, not much of a cool down going on either. You can see the cooler temperatures of the air behind this front. 76 degrees is the forecasted high tomorrow in Davenport, Iowa, 73 in Chicago, but in Louisville, Kentucky, for example, that cold air not quite making it into the region. Southern Indiana will be looking at mid-80s as well as far as our high temperatures are concerned. For tonight, a low of 64 degrees, partly cloudy conditions, winds coming from the south, and for tomorrow, decreasing cloud cover. By the afternoon, it's going to be a lot sunnier, very few clouds anticipated. That high pressure is still taking hold of the region as we head into the second half of the work week and into the start of the weekend. Now, with those south winds, those temperatures are going to be escalating with a high of around 90 degrees expected for Friday and into Saturday. Could we be breaking records? Well, that's not out of the question with temperatures like that. But Mother Nature cooling us down as we head into Sunday and into next week. Another cold front is expected to move across the region, this time cooling us down and bringing us a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Sports is up next.